So let's talk about some of these attributes about God that we can derive from this cosmological proof. It's also, St. Thomas's proof is also called a cosmological proof because it relies upon what we observe, but it's a metaphysical proof as opposed to a scientific proof. So this metaphysical proof, where we say there must be a first cause for the existence of contingently existing things, we have to say that God possesses exactly what the things around us lack. So he must have the adequate explanation for his existence in himself. He must be self-existent. There must not be this difference between his essence or his nature and his existence. His essence, what he is, must be to exist. He has to be a pure act of existence. He must be uncreated. He doesn't need someone to provide him his existence because that's what he is. By his very nature, he is an existing thing. So he has the adequate explanation for his existence in himself. He is uncaused, and he's utterly simple. He's not put together. There's not like this nature that needs to be given existence from the outside, like the nature of man. You can think of Bilbo Baggins or like a hobbit. Bilbo Baggins is in essence, we have a concept of what a hobbit is, but it doesn't have existence, so it needs to be provided existence. There's nothing in the essence of hobbit that demands existence, and they don't exist. But with God, he exists by definition. It is what he is. He's in the business of isness, as they say. So he's uncreated. He's utterly simple. He's not composed of metaphysical parts, essence and existence. He has to be unique. There can only be one of him. Because of the fact that he's utterly simple, he's just an act of existence. And so it's impossible for there to be two beings who are pure existence. If you say I've got being one, and being one, its essence is the same as its existence. I got being two, its essence is the same as its existence. Well, then there's nothing to differentiate them. There would be nothing to distinguish them one from another. So God, the being who is pure existence, must necessarily be unique. There cannot be two beings whose essence or being is to exist.